we explain what a chart of accounts is, and how to structure it so that it is useful for your administrative needs. The chart of accounts is a list of items used by the company in the accounting records. Each item in the plan has a title, which describes its object, and a numeric, alphabetic or alphanumeric code, which allows you to uniquely identify the item within the general accounting system. You can freely choose the content and coding of the chart of accounts. But be careful, it will affect its use. But what is the chart of accounts for? The chart of accounts is used to draw up accounting documents, such as the separate and consolidated financial statements, for tax compliance, such as tax returns and tax payments. In addition, it is very useful for making accounting reconciliation. The financial statements, intended as statement of financial position, statement of profit and loss and notes, are formed from accounting data. The information content of the chart of accounts must therefore be enriched with the details provided in the notes. And the cash flow statement. The statement of cash flows mainly feeds from statement of financial position items and notes. It is not excluded that some necessary information must be collected directly from the chart of accounts. The accounting data are a useful source for the preparation of the consolidated financial statements, or for providing information to the parent company. The exception is the detail by counterparty, necessary for the elimination of reciprocal items, which is often recorded off accounts documents. Accounting data can support tax compliance, such as the tax return and tax payments, facilitating the balancing and the formation of specific attachments. The data of the chart of accounts are useful for the accounting reconciliation with the other systems, including management control. The information detail required by the various needs is not always homogeneous and coherent. Therefore, it is necessary to organize the chart of accounts with an adequate level of analyticity, that is, to identify the number of items that represent the least common multiple among the different information needs. The chart of accounts often presents a multi-layered structure. In a three-level chart of accounts, the third is the most analytical items. Record on the last level of chart of accounts. It is useful to identify how the accounts are fed, which can be by movements or by balances. In the movement feed, the account is fed when each accounting event occurs. In balancing, the account is handled on the basis of inventory situations, on a pre-established date. The different feeding modes often coexist,